this is the way you finish something you have knitted in the round. So this is a cowl that I made. This is the last stitch that I'm binding off. Pass that one over the last one. And that is that last stitch. What you want to do with it is make it big. Cut your yarn and pass it through that last loop. And now it looks like so. Take your needle, your sewing needle, and you're going to find that first stitch that you knitted on the other side, which is this one. So find the first complete stitch on the other side, because this is like half. So find the front and the back of that loop, pass your yarn through, and then bring your needle and put it in the back of that last loop that you knitted. So now you created a loop, and it doesn't show at all where your bind off was. So let's turn it and pass a couple of spots in the back and make a subtle knot like there. Pass it on itself, and now you can weave in the ends. And there we go. And this is the way it looks. Let me see where that loop is coming from. Oh, okay, it's the last stitch. So I'll fix it from the front. And there we go. And that's the way it looks. So now we can cut this yarn, and we can do the beginning. So let's see where we are. That's the beginning. That's the tail that I left when I started. And we're going to go and find that first loop on the other side and pass your stitch over. So like that, it looks the same as it did at the beginning, see? So now it doesn't show where you started, and you go to the back, make a little knot there, pass it on itself, and then you can weave in the ends. And that's it. Let me show you how it looks. See, so now you don't know where you started, which is right there. So that's it. Thank you for watching.